I went to the gym, feeling proud of myself for sticking to my routine. As I loaded up the squat rack and got into position, a huge sneeze hit me, causing the bar to shift and me to lose balance. I let out a loud, ugly noise, trying not to drop the weight. Everyone around me turned to look and, I'm sure the guy nearby thought I farted. I managed to rack the bar back, but in my panic, I sneezed again and hit myself in the chin with the bar, making a loud sound that stopped people in their tracks. I panicked, tried to play it off, and stumbled sideways. I left the bar, wiped my face, and walked straight to the treadmill, trying to save face. It was an embarrassing moment, and I just wanted to get away from the scene.